Samsung's next big move is starting to leak out, and honestly, the Galaxy S26 series is looking a lot more interesting than anyone expected. Because not only are we getting new cases, new colors, and a redesigned camera layout, but there's also a massive twist that Samsung probably didn't want getting out this early, and it involves the Ultra. So here's what's happening. Ice Universe, who's usually scarily accurate with Samsung leaks, claims the Galaxy S26 Ultra might actually be ditching titanium this year and going back to aluminium. At first, that sounds like a downgrade, right? But apparently, aluminium actually handles heat much better, which could help Samsung squeeze out stronger, sustained performance instead of just peak numbers that fall off after a few minutes. And when you combine that with the leaked color names like Black Shadow, White Shadow, Galactic Blue, and Ultraviolet, none of those really scream titanium showcase finish like the S25 Ultra had, which kind of adds even more weight to this rumor. Then we've got case makers getting involved, which usually means Samsung has finalized most of the external design. ArmorX already has cases listed for the S26, S26 Plus, and S26 Ultra. And while they don't reveal everything, they do show some really noticeable design changes. The regular S26 and S26 Plus are now rocking this vertical pill-shaped camera island that houses all three lenses together, instead of Samsung's usual separated floating rings. Meanwhile, the S26 Ultra is doing something slightly different. It has three main cameras inside a raised island, but the extra sensor and LED flash sit outside of it, flush with the back. And interestingly, the Ultra seems to be softening up a little with slightly more rounded corners, making it feel a bit closer to the non-Ultra models instead of that super boxy Note-like design we're used to. Now let's talk display, because this is where Samsung might be planning something genuinely meaningful. Ice Universe hinted that Samsung isn't just chasing higher brightness or faster refresh rates this time. Instead, they're working on making the screen smarter and more practical for actual daily use. Other reliable insiders back this up, saying Samsung Display has been testing new screen treatments and visibility improvements that aren't just about flashy specs, but about comfort, real-world usability, better outdoor clarity, and even privacy and security when you're using it in public. It's vague, yeah, but all the hints point towards Samsung trying something different with the S26 Ultra's display instead of just playing the bigger number equals better phone game. Recently leaked dummy units also give us a clearer idea of the physical design. At first glance, the S26 Ultra still looks familiar. Same general silhouette, slightly softer corners, but the biggest visual change is that new camera island. It looks like Samsung is taking inspiration from the Z Fold 7, raising the main camera block above the rear panel. And while it does look more purposeful, it might also make the camera bump situation even more extreme than before. So yeah, Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup is shaping up to be a pretty big refinement year with smarter decisions instead of just louder upgrades. A lighter frame that performs better, a more usable display, meaningful camera improvements, a fresh design direction, and pricing that doesn't try to hurt your wallet even more. Let me know what you think. Is Samsung heading in the right direction with the S26 series? Or did ditching titanium kill the Ultra vibe for you? Either way, things are about to get very interesting, and I'll be covering everything as more leaks drop. Thanks for sticking around, and I'll see you in the next one.